Welcome! If you're looking to tidy up your Messenger app and keep things organized, archiving group chats is a super handy feature. Maybe you have a group conversation that's no longer active, or you just want to clear up some space without actually deleting anything. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to archive a group on Messenger, so you can keep your chats neat and easy to manage. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Take a moment to scroll through and find the group chat you want to archive. This could be an old project group, a family planning chat, or any conversation that you don't need on your main screen anymore. Once you've found the group, here's the simple trick. Tap and hold on the group chat. Don't just tap it, quickly press and hold until a menu pops up. This menu gives you several options for managing the chat. Look for the option that says Archive. It usually appears right away in the pop-up list. Go ahead and tap Archive. That's it. Your group chat is now archived. It's moved out of your main chat feed and into the archived section, so it won't clutter up your conversations, but you can always access it later if you need to. To find archived chats in the future, just tap your profile picture in Messenger, then select Archive Chats. Everything you've archived will be right there, safe and sound. Archiving is a great way to keep Messenger organized without losing important messages or memories. You can always unarchive a group if you want to bring it back to your main chat list. Just find it in the archived section and send a new message. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.